I wonder why there is a hole in the windscreen of my house. Now I know. I'm missing some piece and this is what it is. Okay, let me fix this one for today. Always make sure this one has to be up or else it's not gonna fit in. So just slide it. Okay. Oh. That small piece. I believe that must be the one. Now, I think this is the hardest part. Maybe not easy. That's the old one. So, I need to put the new one as well. Alright, I gotta change the old one as well. Actually, change the new one. The old one doesn't fit because its lock system is different. So now it's working properly. So let's have a look. Yeah, you're right, it's working now. Let me check with the key as well. Check this open. Okay, lock. Okay, here you go. That's locked. That's all good now. Perfecto.